William, where's Stu? Can you find Stu? Can you put Stu on the fire truck? Put Stu on the fire truck. Yep, that's the fire truck. Can Stu go on fire truck? Can Stu go on fire truck? Yeah, good job. You gonna give him a ride? You gonna push him? Oh, good job. Now he's on really well. Can you push fire truck? Go vroom vroom over there. Go vroom vroom. Yeah.